Why I'd rather lead a donkey than try to motivate one.
Isn't she cute?
The best training isn't about pushing or forcing. It is about making them want to follow. In this video, I'll show you simple steps to build trust with your donkey so they actually choose to follow you.
Run faster, Mom, faster. Here we go. Yeah, yeah. Oh, she's moving.
The first step is simply observing your donkey. We need to watch their body language. Are they relaxed, tense, curious? Meet them where they are. Don't expect them to be ready for handling right away. Every donkey is different. And even though they're going to be uncomfortable at first, later on, they're going to love being with you. But we have to stay consistent and predictable for them. Before we ever even think about trying to touch them, I like to start with just being in their presence. I like to do things that are asking a question. So, offering them hay or food, and can they say yes to eating it? When a donkey is super nervous, they won't even eat in your presence. This is all part of the process. Once they'll eat in my presence, then I can stand next to them. I can start offering food from my hand. And some of them, it's going to happen fast. And other ones, it can take many weeks. The goal is to let them choose to stay with you. Using calm energy is very important. Slow movements. And watch them for signs of relaxation. Relaxing signs can be blinking, lower their head, shifting their weight towards you, how many wrinkles are in their mouth or on their muzzle. If they have a parrot lip would be the opposite. We want their bottom lip hanging out more than their top lip. How much ease. You can see how he was just eating with ease from our hand. Her nose is crooked. Those are signs of feeling nervous. So when their nose is relaxed, their body is relaxed. If they're leaning into us, all of those are things to watch for. And that's going to help us know that they're ready for the next steps. When they're calm, we'll be able to see it in all of their features. The first thing we want to be able to do with our donkeys is all of the basic stuff. We need to be able to touch them everywhere, halter them, lead them, pick up their feet, and put them in the trailer. If they stop, then we know it's their mind that's causing this. They're not sure that you're safe to lead them. We need to do all of this stuff in little baby steps. Remember, donkeys are stoic. They're not going to necessarily show, or it could be hard to identify when they're nervous. Each time they get a little bit nervous, and then they see that it's okay. It's like we're giving them our resume that we are safe and we're good enough to lead them. Getting them prepared for all the things that they need to have to be able to do is going to help them be a confident donkey. And after we can do all these basic things, then we can start teaching them other things like obstacles or packing or a beer burro, whatever you can imagine. Doing all these steps with your donkey that they'll have to have done by the vet or the farrier or traveling so that you can care for them if you're bringing them to the vet. When we do all of these things beforehand, we're helping them know and be ready for it later on. One thing I cannot stress enough is to have downtime with them. When they're nervous, sit with them. Whether it's for 30 seconds or 30 minutes or 3 hours, stay with them until they're relaxed. After they're relaxed, then you can do the obstacle again, and they're going to have more confidence in you and the obstacle. Keep sessions short. Notice their body language. If they shift away or tense up, back off. Let them rest before trying again. When you do that, all you're doing is saying, "Oh, I see that you're nervous." Trust grows when they feel safe. A donkey that trusts you chooses to follow you. Let them come towards you, offer small rewards, and guide gently. Avoid forcing movement. Trust comes from choice, not pressure. Even a mule like Laska can surprise you with how quickly they start to seek your guidance once they feel safe. Every donkey is different,
Did you get
and
scared?
every session is a step towards trust. Start where they are,
Scared?
be patient, and let them
Is this why
choose
you
to
got
follow.
scared? 'Cause the phone?
The training
That's
isn't about motivation. It's about leadership, patience, and building a bond that lasts. If you like this guide, comment on your donkey's name and the moment you built trust with them. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick donkey training tips. Happy trails.